What if you could start a real-world business without building an app, becoming an influencer, or spending thousands on a fancy storefront? Today, I'm revealing 5 offline businesses you can potentially launch for under $1,000, and more importantly, I'll explain where the money actually comes from, what you need to get started, and what I would do if I were starting from zero. Quick reality check: these businesses aren't guaranteed money machines. Your location, pricing, competition, sales ability, and execution matter, but the startup costs can be surprisingly low. 1. Residential cleaning service. This is one of the simplest businesses to test. You can potentially start with $200,500 for cleaning supplies, basic equipment, insurance, marketing materials, and transportation. Instead of chasing everyone, target a specific customer: busy professionals, seniors, landlords, Airbnb hosts, or move-out clients. For example, 15 recurring clients paying an average of $150 per visit could generate $2,250 in gross revenue from one service cycle. The secret: recurring customers. One-time cleanings pay today. Recurring contracts can build a predictable route. 2. Mobile car detailing. Forget renting a garage, you go to the customer. A basic setup could include a shop vacuum, pressure washer, hoses, microfiber towels, cleaners, brushes, buckets, and marketing materials. You could start with basic interior and exterior packages, then upsell deep cleaning services. If you eventually average 4 $125 jobs per week, that's about $2,000 in monthly gross revenue before expenses. And here's the advantage: customers aren't just buying a clean car, they're buying convenience. 3. Junk removal. You don't necessarily need a giant truck on day one. Start by handling smaller jobs using a trailer, rented vehicle, or appropriate hauling arrangement where legal and practical. Your startup budget can go toward equipment, disposal fees, basic insurance, marketing, and transportation. Target garage cleanouts, apartment moves, landlords, estate cleanouts, and small construction debris jobs. The key is understanding your dump fees and labor costs before quoting a price. A $500 job isn't profitable if disposal and labor consume $450. 4. Lawn care and yard cleanup. You don't need to become a massive landscaping company. Start with mowing, edging, trimming, leaf cleanup, and seasonal yard services. A used mower, trimmer, blower, basic safety gear, and marketing could potentially keep your initial investment below $1,000. The real opportunity is building a neighborhood route. Imagine 25 customers concentrated within a few miles of each other. Less driving means more jobs per day and better economics. Then add services like spring cleanup, mulch installation, or snow removal where appropriate. 5. Furniture assembly and handyman services. Here's an overlooked opportunity: people constantly buy furniture and don't want to assemble it. If you're skilled and legally permitted to perform the work, you could offer furniture assembly, shelving installation, minor repairs, mounting, and other basic services that don't require specialized licensing. Your startup costs could be relatively low: tools, transportation, insurance, and local advertising.